Hi. I'm going from this to this. What do you guys think? It's gonna be too late, too late, too late. What do you think? Kind of dark, kind of red. I think it's gonna be awesome. Whoa. I'll show you my next one. Bam. Uh-oh. Okay, now. Boom. Tomorrow I'll have this color hair. Just saying. Oh, and this, what I'm wearing right now, perfect match. I used this one brush and it blew out. Perfect. Okay. No primer, no concealer, nothing to get this look. I kind of like it. But then I got hammered. Alright. Bye. Thanks for stopping by.